Here I have Motorola Moto G Play 2023, and today I'm going to show you how to enter safe mode on this device. Firstly, what you will have to do is to hold down power key. Then when this turn off menu appears, hold down your finger on power off. Then it suggests you to reboot to safe mode, just tap OK and device will be restarted in a safe mode. And that's it. So as you can see, safe mode sign here at the bottom proves that we're in a safe mode. So as you can see, most of apps are unavailable in the safe mode because they might not be safe or something like that. So if you want to quit this mode, just restart your device and it will be restarted just as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.